Welcome to Shorebreak Energy Developers' presentation on how to light up your company profits through the acquisition of low-cost solar power. Join the power revolution by replacing high-cost peak hour power with low-cost solar power. The growing demand for electrical power, along with the federal and state regulations requiring public utilities to generate 33% of their power from renewable sources by 2020, has led to an aggressive search for new power sources. The private U.S. solar market is experiencing dramatic growth. The U.S. solar market is expected to grow at an annual rate of 30%, with a significant portion of the growth a direct result of the installation of private systems, where power is not sold to a public utility, but rather used by tenants and owners of specific properties. So why invest in a solar power system? The first reason is to improve your company's operating earnings by dramatically lowering electricity costs. Second reason is the opportunity to take advantage of the incredible tax credits, depreciation schedules, and rebates being offered by the utility companies and the federal, state, and local governments. These tax benefits and rebates result in a system payback within 2 to 5 years. Once a solar system is paid for, it will continue to produce cost-free power for 15 to 20 years, before any of the major components are replaced. Component replacement typically will occur sometime between the 15th to 20th year at a cost equal to approximately 2.5% of the initial system cost. A Shorebreak design system gives companies the ability to replace the public utility's high-cost power, which runs approximately 15 to 20 cents per watt, while still maintaining access to the utility company's inexpensive non-peak hour power in the 5 cents per watt range. All of Shorebreak's solar systems utilize components that require minimum annual maintenance. So why Shorebreak Energy? Shorebreak's management team has designed and installed over 450 solar systems and is vertically integrated with an extensive engineering and operational staff that design and maintain each system. The engineering and design staff is backed up by Shorebreak's installers that are certified by the North American Board of Certified Electrical Practitioners. Shorebreak has developed a superb track record in processing rebate payments for its clients, securing cash payments within 2 to 3 weeks of the payment submittal. The company prides itself on meeting project timelines with a 95% in-time completion rate. Shorebreak provides its clients with some other unique benefits, such as a guaranteed power production warranty, where Shorebreak will agree to pay a client's electric bill if the design system fails to meet the targeted power output goals. Shorebreak also provides exclusive access to a proprietary sizing system that takes into account several variables to determine the most cost-efficient system for your specific building. And finally, Shorebreak provides an all-inclusive maintenance program that covers 100% of all future labor and material costs of the solar system. Here's an example of the financial impact from installing a Shorebreak solar system. In Los Angeles, an aerospace manufacturer occupies a 100,000 square foot facility with a current monthly electric bill of approximately $50,000. The installation of a solar system to cover 80% of electric costs would generate monthly electrical savings of approximately $40,000. The cost for this 1 megawatt system would be in the $5 million range, with the after-tax payback based on the local utility rebates, federal tax credits, and accelerated depreciation occurring within a 15-month time period. So what is the project process? A company will send to Shorebreak the property address and 4 monthly electric bills, 2 summer bills and 2 winter bills. Shorebreak will then analyze the bills, and after contacting the local power provider, will determine what is the best rate structure for the subject building. This analysis will take into account peak hour demands on a 15-minute interval in order to create a detailed power template. Shorebreak will then analyze an aerial photo to determine the amount of physical space available to install the solar panels on the property's roof or carports. The final variable will be the determination of the rebates being offered by the local power provider and the conditions attached to the rebates. Shorebreak will then input all these variables into its proprietary computer model to determine the exact size of the solar system to be built. With this data in mind, Shorebreak will then schedule a site visit to verify the aerial findings, identify the power connections, and view the business operations to fine-tune the final proposal. Once the system is approved, a contract is signed and a project timeline is established along with a project payment schedule. Shorebreak will then commence the project design and engineering and start processing the construction permits for the proposed system, which will take approximately 30 days. Once the permits have been issued, Shorebreak's engineers and fully bonded and licensed construction team will install the system within 30 days. Once installed, the project team will secure approval from the local power provider to activate the system. Unlike most construction projects, Shorebreak's solar systems carry extensive long-term warranties. The solar panels will carry a 25-year warranty, the inverter or black box a 10-year warranty, and all installation carries a 10-year warranty. In addition to these standard warranties, Shorebreak offers the previously mentioned power production guarantee for 5 years, along with a 24/7 wireless monitoring system with real-time online access. And lastly, Shorebreak offers the optional all-inclusive maintenance plan covering all future system maintenance costs. Don't miss out on this incredible cost-saving opportunity, since the government might wake up and change the rules again. Sign up for a free power evaluation, which has a $5,000 value, by visiting www.solarpowerelectricity.net. And remember, light up your company profits through the generation of low-cost solar power. Thank you.